Cablelera North American Hospital Grade Power Cord NEMA 5-15P to IEC 60320C13, 10ft. This 18AWG Florence Hospital Grade Power Cord features a NEMA 5-15P connector at one end and IEC 60320C13 connector at the other end. It's designed and tested to connect computer, laptop, monitor or other devices in hospital environment and medical settings. In the US and Canada, power cord used in medical environment must be hospital grade. Cablelera's hospital grade power cords all include the green dot marking on the plug. The green dot assures cable meets strict regulations to allow it be used in hospital and medical settings. Product specifications. Connector 1. NEMA 5-15P hospital grade. Connector 2. IEC 60320C13. Connector color. Clear blue. Cable color. Gray color. Jacket type. SJT. Total length. 10 ft. Wire gauge. 18AWG Florence. Amp rating, 10A. Voltage rating, 125 volts. Certification, UL, CUL, CSA, Rose Reach. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what we needed. We needed a new power cord for a piece of equipment for our surgery center. Found this one at a fraction of the cost of one directly from the manufacturer. It was identical and works flawlessly. Highly recommend. Don't pay the high prices elsewhere.